Got the room painted here. And it's actually funny, we went to go look for paint and we found this off can for like $9. And I was like, yeah, it'll work. And it's blue. I thought it was gonna be a lot lighter, but it ended up turning out really well. And I don't know why I don't have a shirt on. So when my Pavel died, my grandma moved into this room. So she lived with us for a couple of years, and she finally figured it was time to go out on her own, and now I get my studio office, I guess you would say, back. So I'm pumped. And I'm happy that she is able to go out on her own again. So it's gonna be a long process though. So I went to the Dollar Tree and found this stuff here. It's the OxyClean Extra Strength. This stuff is strong, and I mean, like, it smells good, but like, I think I dumped too much. It's like almost gone, but it's definitely working, getting up all the odor out of the carpet from the dogs. So I'm gonna open the window here, let it air out, and I'm gonna go hit the gym. I'm on a mission for a desk, so we're gonna hit this flea market. So I always buy shit here and flip it on eBay. Never look for a desk though, so we need to find a desk. It's only 50 bucks. So I did get a desk. However, got Gumby, 1983 Gumby. I'm actually gonna sell that. And then they had some, I got new wrist straps for $3. $3! Alright, so the new desk is in here, new chair. Just gotta clean it. Got the MacBook set up and everything. The office, studio, lounge, whatever you want to call it. We still haven't figured out the name yet. It's coming together. It's coming together real nice. Always go to a flea market or Goodwill to find a desk. Got this for 50 bucks with the chair. It's been a long day. Went to Cataract. The gym, and then went and got a desk, and then played with the dogs for a little bit, and now we're gonna clean a little bit in the room and call it a night. So as always, guys, thanks for watching.